And again, all these poor people, if your father or you don't have any connection in politics or in government, don't go to school and begin to try do this course. It's a useless course. Political science. Your father is not a politician. You don't know anybody in the government or politics. You enter school and go there and begin to poor family. You go and do political science. What are you going to do with that course? It's a useless course. Another one is history. Which history? Somebody will just look for admission, get admission, and you are spending a whole 5 years or 4 years in school, and you went there to read history. Which history? Mungo Park history or what? Or Nigerian British discovery nonsense? What history are you reading? Bible history. And another one is microbiology.